Somewhere deep beneath the ocean, there is a world we were never meant to see. A place so deep that sunlight disappears forever and pressure becomes strong enough to crush steel like paper. But here is what scientists discovered. The ocean is not empty. It is alive. And not just alive, but filled with creatures that look completely impossible. Some have transparent heads, so you can see their brains. Some swallow animals twice their own size in a single bite. And some appear only once in human history before disappearing forever.
Even today, with modern submarines and deep-sea robots, scientists still cannot explain what many of these creatures actually are.
Are they evolution? Or something we have not yet understood? Tonight, we descend into the deepest mystery on Earth. As we go deeper into the ocean, at 200 meters, sunlight begins to fade. At 1,000 meters, the world turns completely black. No plants, no light, no sound from the surface.
Only pressure, increasing every second. At the deepest trenches, pressure becomes more than 1,000 times stronger than at sea level.
Yet, life is everywhere. Strange shapes move in the darkness. Eyes glow without light. Bodies look incomplete, almost alien.
And the deeper scientists go, the less they understand. Because in the deep sea, evolution does not follow normal rules.
One of the strangest sharks ever discovered is the goblin shark. It looks prehistoric. Its skin is soft and pinkish, almost like it was never meant to exist in modern oceans.
But what makes it terrifying is its jaw. It can launch forward in milliseconds, snapping prey before they even react.
Scientists still don't fully understand how it evolved such a mechanism. It seems too extreme, too efficient, like a design from another era of evolution. Imagine a fish with a completely transparent head. Inside it, you can see its brain. And two green, glowing eyes that can rotate upward to see through the ocean above it. This is the barrel-eye fish. For decades, scientists thought it was impossible for such a structure to exist, because its eyes are protected by fluid-filled tissue. Yet it survives in complete darkness.
But why evolve a transparent head? And how does its visual system actually work? Even today, researchers are still unsure.
Despite its name, the vampire squid is not a true squid or octopus. It is something in between. It lives in oxygen-poor zones where almost no life can survive. When threatened, it turns itself inside out, creating a glowing defensive shield.
It doesn't attack. It doesn't chase prey. It simply survives in conditions that should kill most life forms instantly.
This creature is small, but its stomach is legendary. It does not chew. It does not tear. It simply swallows everything whole. Later, decomposition gases build up inside its stomach, making it float to the surface,
where scientists sometimes find it washed ashore. Even today, its biology raises more questions than answers.
In the deep ocean, light is not from the sun. It comes from life itself. Countless unknown species emit glowing signals, blue, green, sometimes red. Some use light to hunt. Some use it to communicate.
but many have never been classified. Scientists often record flashes from ROV footage, but when they return, there is no matching species in any database.
Meaning, we are possibly seeing creatures that have never been identified. Even more disturbing are the moments when scientists see things they cannot explain at all. Large moving shapes, shadows with no clear anatomy, objects that react to submarines but vanish before capture. These are not confirmed species, but they are repeatedly observed.
Some believe they are undiscovered animals. Others think they are rare behavioral events. But no one knows for sure.
The deep ocean is still the least explored place on Earth.
We have mapped Mars in higher detail than our own ocean floors. And yet, every new expedition reveals something new, something strange, something unexplainable. Maybe the ocean is not hiding monsters. Maybe it is hiding answers we are not ready to understand. Because the deeper we go, the less certain we become about what life actually is. And somewhere in the darkness, something is still watching.